Hello everyone, welcome to another new Python problem solving video. Today we're going to solve a new problem that is a dictionary problem, and we have been told to find the average of all the values in a dictionary without using the len and sum functions. If you see the sample here, that we have been given a dictionary A10, B20, C30, we have to find the average, that is 10 plus 20 30, 30 plus 30 60, divided by 3 equal to 20. So we have to find the average, but without using the len function and sum function. So let's see how we can do it. Okay, so you can see the code is complete and it's running properly. Now let's just see what we have done here. We have taken a dictionary here, and we have taken a variable sum equal to 0, another variable count equal to 0. For value in dict.values, that is, we know dictionary has two parts, that is a key and a value. So we are choosing the values from dictionary 1. For value in dict values, from here we will first get 10. So sum equal to sum plus value, that is, we know sum is initially 0 and the value is 10. So now the current sum is 10, and we are increasing the count, that is count equal to now is 1. Now the loop will again run. We will get value equal to 20 and the initial sum, and we have got the sum 10 previously, that is 30, and the count is 2 now. And the last one 30 plus 30 equal to 60, the sum value is 60 and the count is 3. After ending the loop, we come here and we have written average equal to sum by count. We know the formula, it's simple. So the sum is 60, count is 3, we divide it, and thus we can find the average here. The code is very simple. Hope you guys understand it. If you have any kind of problem, just comment down below. If you like the video, do like and subscribe. Thank you.